When critical incidents occur or important notices are required, how do you communicate relevant information with your tenants or employees? Are you able to provide personalized and engaging information to the people you need to reach? Introducing Voyent Alert. Powerful and visually engaging, our multi-purpose communication service provides you with the ability to keep people connected, informed, and safe. One of the most frustrating experiences for tenants are core service outages, whether it's an elevator down for maintenance, an unplanned water or utility outage, or a parkade closure due to cleaning. With Voyent Alert's enriched messages, you can send detailed electronic notices directly to tenants that include rich media, such as PDF documents or images, as well as personalized maps. You can even include read receipts and consents to quickly identify and document those who have received the communication and who might require follow-up. And there is no limit to the types of notices you can send. Keep tenants in the loop about social events, board meetings, community watch incidents, security risks, or upgrades to building facilities. Best of all, you can save valuable resources by laser targeting who receives which alert. From a handful of units to a specific floor or the entire building or complex, you have the power to communicate with only those who are impacted. And setup is simple. Automatically upload pre-existing contact lists so tenants can receive text, email, or voice notifications. Alternatively, they can access your notices via mobile app or through a convenient web portal. Voyent Alert provides a centralized place where tenants can access these day-to-day notices on demand and provides you with easy remote management. Beyond informational notices, Voyent Alert is designed to help you keep your tenants and employees safe during critical events, hazards, or threats. Emergency alerts can be issued directly by management or forwarded automatically from third-party alerting services, pinpointing the exact location of the incident, evacuation routes, and muster points, making it that much easier to prioritize everyone's safety, particularly employees working alone. You can even monitor the exact location of your employees through Voyent Alert's robust geolocation tool, and take advantage of the built-in two-way communication feature to receive real-time feedback, insights, and reports in a simple online dashboard. If an employee runs into a situation where they need assistance, they can request immediate support using the Rally to Me feature that broadcasts their exact GPS coordinates. To top it off, Voyent Alert is engineered to save you time and money. It seamlessly integrates with your business operations to give you insights and early advisories on conditions that impact your tenants, properties, work sites, and employees in the field. Alerts can be automatically triggered based on predefined variables from proprietary data streams and sent to administrators, so you can provide a faster, more effective response. And if that's not enough ease, enjoy a fully customizable template library that lets you create or edit the look, style, and content of your alerts. Get started in less than 1 hour and experience a proven all-in-one solution that takes the stress out of managing your communications across multiple properties, channels, and groups. Keep your tenants and employees safe and informed with Voyent Alert. Stay alert, stay connected.
For more information, request a free demo today.